How to check group admin on Facebook. Open Facebook app on your phone. It may be iPhone or Android. At the bottom right of the screen, tap the menu icon. Look for the group's shortcut. If you don't see it, tap See More to find it. Once you find the group option, click on it, then to the Manage tab. Here, you can see my Facebook group. Tap on it. Then right below, you will see About. Tap on it. Next, look for the People section. There, tap on See All. Here you'll see all the group members listed here. Below, you will find the Visitors section. There you can find group admins of your page. To find group admins on another page, tap back to return to the main menu of the group shortcut. At the top left, click on For You. Choose any group for which you want to find admin. Then look for the About option. Tap on it. Look for the People section. Tap See All. You'll see the admins and moderators listed here. You can add them as friends or message them if needed. And that's it.